Hi Divi Nation, this is Aless Design, and in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to set up the About Us page. Go to Pages and add New. Give it a title and use the Divi Builder. Choose a pre-made layout. Go to your saved layouts, choose the About Us, and now this is the design. Don't forget to put images in the gallery. If you don't, it won't show up at the front end. Click Publish. Let's view the page. Okay, now you can change the text, the images, and of course don't forget to put images in your gallery. Let me show you. Here, as you can tell, these are images from the demo website. Just remove them. And now add your own images. Update the page. And refresh to see the changes. Okay, now we have the slider. Okay, Divi Nation, thank you for watching.